This 5-minute solution will show you how to set up Facebook group chat community. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, open your Facebook app, and now we need to go to our group. So I'm tapping on menu and tapping on groups. And this is the group where I'm going to create a community chat. So I'm going to opening my group. Once you are in your group page, tap on manage. And here, scroll down and under tool shortcuts, you will get community chats. Tap on that. And now, here you will get these 3 suggested chats template. To create a brand new chat, community chat, tap on create chat. Write here your group chat name and tap on create chat. And here we can see I've successfully created group community chat. And now to edit or customize this group chat, tap on this 3 dot and here tap on theme. Now you can select a theme for this community chat, and you can also change quick reaction from here. You can copy your community chat link by tapping on copy link and go back from here. To add a description to your community chat, tap on description. And here you can easily update your community chat name. You can add a description here. To add a photo for your community chat profile, tap on change image. And you can select an image from this list. Or you can go to emoji section to add emoji as your profile photo. Tap on done. Save. And it's time to add or invite people to your community chat, right? So tap on invite. And now you can easily select your Facebook friends to send invitation to join to your group community chat. So this is how we can actually set up Facebook group chat community. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.